Ollie was a little octopus, living a happy life amongst the coral reefs. He had 8 wiggly arms, bright blue eyes, and a curious nature. But Ollie had one big insecurity. He was terrified of the open ocean. He loved exploring the nooks and crannies of the reef, but whenever he ventured out, even a little, fear would grip him, making him retreat to safety. One day, a wise old hermit crab named Shelley saw Ollie hiding from a gentle current. "Why are you hiding, little one?" Shelley asked kindly. Ollie confessed his fear of the vast ocean. "It's so big and scary," he trembled. "What if I get lost or swept away?" Shelley chuckled, her shell clicking. "The ocean is big, that's true, but it's also full of wonders. You can't discover them all by hiding here." Ollie looked down at his wiggly arms. "But I'm just a little octopus. What if I'm not strong enough?" Shelley smiled. "Strength comes in many forms, Ollie. You may not be big, but you are clever and adaptable. Remember, the tide always lifts all boats, and you have 8. Ollie wasn't convinced, but Shelley's words lingered in his mind. Later that day, he saw a group of fish playing in a current swirling near the reef. They looked like they were having so much fun. He peeked out, the fear starting to creep in, but then remembered Shelley's words. Taking a deep breath, Ollie pushed himself into the current. He used his 8 arms to propel himself, moving like a graceful underwater dancer. At first, the fear returned, but then he noticed a beautiful school of fish swimming alongside him. They seemed to encourage him, darting around him playfully. Ollie felt a surge of confidence. He explored the current, swimming higher and farther than he ever had before. He saw stunning coral formations, playful dolphins, and even a majestic sea turtle. He realized the ocean wasn't just scary, it was magical. Suddenly, a huge wave loomed on the horizon. Panic gripped Ollie. He remembered Shelley's words again and used his 8 arms to cling to a nearby rock. The wave crashed around him, but he held on tight. When the wave receded, Ollie was a little shaken, but safe. He'd faced his fear and survived. As he swam back to the reef, he felt different. He wasn't just a little octopus anymore. He was brave, curious, and strong. He realized that believing in himself was the biggest strength he had. From that day on, Ollie continued to explore the ocean, venturing farther and wider with each adventure. He never forgot his fear, but he also knew that courage wasn't the absence of fear, but overcoming it. And he remembered Shelley's words, "The tide always lifts all boats," and